Alright, let's revisit this LTE Lite 425C. This is the one that came from the UK. I found a motherboard, a replacement for it for 20 bucks. And as soon as I started digging into this is the original. Notice that white stuff, I have a feeling that's corrosion. And I actually, during the adventures with this machine, discovered that there is in fact a third battery in this machine. This is one I took out of another very distressed LTE Lite. I don't know what this battery actually does, but this one went good all over this board, which is one I had for a while, and there's a whole other story with this one, but that's not the point of this video. So we got the motherboard from Texas. Things are a little bit out of whack, so I think there's some metal that needs to be readjusted. It came bent on that end, so I gotta figure out what to do with that. We got a battery taking a charge, and a lot of plastic fell out of this thing as I was tearing it apart, and we got wide open holes now. So now, does it work? Oh yeah, both of the drives that came with this thing are dead. The ST9145AG, no spin up whatsoever. The Connor that came with it has a very, very huge stickum problem. And I took all my might to pry that thing apart, and it still doesn't work. I don't know if this... it is not installed. But I did find one very pleasant surprise. I don't know if the battery is going to stay in there just now because of the bent motherboard. But power cord is gone, and it's holding the charge. So that's a very unexpected surprise. I was going to say unpleasant, but very pleasant surprise that we have a battery that holds a charge. So we're making progress. The screen is good. Once we get this motherboard to a point where it fits comfortably, I think we'll be in good shape. So we have our worldwide LTE Lite 425 at hand here. Keyboard from the UK, screen from the UK, motherboard from Texas, hard drive from California, I believe. So worldwide LTE Lite. And it's been a lot more work than I anticipated, but it is a 30-year-old computer, so things aren't going to go always according to script. So thank you for watching this short, and if I do make any other significant developments on this machine, well, we'll make another video.